Hi friends, I hope you're all fine, healthy and safe. Due to this COVID-19 situation, most of us are locked down in our homes and our physical activity has got reduced drastically. Although using this YouTube channel, I generally upload dance covers or other creative content, but this time I'm making a difference. I am uploading a fitness video which comprises of some very simple basic exercises. I practice this exercise routine at home myself and it is helping me a lot to stay fit and motivated. We are all passing through a very grave situation and I really pray and hope that we all come out victorious fighting against this deadly coronavirus. Until then, stay strong, stay healthy and stay fit.
Begin your exercise with a few stretches. Stretch your arms outward and while you do so, shift your entire body mass on your toes. And when you return back, then stand on your flats. Repeat this exercise 20 times before you move to the next exercise. Stand on your flats and stretch your arms vertically upwards and then back to its initial position. Again repeat this exercise 20 times before moving to the next exercise. Stand on your flats and circle your arms in clockwise direction. Repeat the motion 10 times. And once you are done, then do the same thing but in anti-clockwise direction. Stand with your legs separated and bend towards one side. Hold the position for a few seconds and then bend to the other side. Repeat this exercise 20 times before going to the next exercise. Stand with your legs separated and turn back. Try to twist as much as you can. Repeat the exercise 20 times before moving to the next exercise. You can do the same exercise by holding your hands closer to your body as well. Stand with your legs separated wider, bend forward and then touch your right toe with your left hand and left toe with your right hand in a crossover position. Repeat this exercise 20 times before moving to the next exercise. Stand with your legs separated wider. First bend downwards to touch your right toe with your right hand, left toe with your left hand. Then put both the hands backward and try to touch the floor as far as you can. After which rise up and back bend as much as you can. Repeat this exercise 10 times before moving to the next exercise. Spread your legs wide, turn your feet so that one of your feet's direction is perpendicular to the other. Then just bend down and touch your feet with your hand. Hold the position for some time and then repeat the same in the other direction. Repeat this exercise 5 times and then move to the next exercise. Stand with your feet closer. Stretch your right arm and try to kick and touch your right fingers with your right leg. Repeat this exercise 10 times on both the sides. A very effective exercise that targets almost all parts of your body is the squat. There are different types of squats, but in this exercise routine, 2 types of squats are included. The first that is being demonstrated is the body weight squat. Keep your feet separated and squat down, keeping your spinal cord lateral and your core tight. The next exercise is a sumo squat. It is similar to the body weight squat. Only difference is the feet are slightly towards the outside at an angle of 45 degrees. Repeat 20 to 25 times these sumo squat and normal squat before moving to the next exercise. The next exercise is a jogging exercise. It is again a very efficient exercise. Repeat 30 times before moving to the next exercise. The last exercise of this routine is the jumping jack exercise. Repeat this exercise 40 times. In the upcoming videos, I will share with you all some floor exercises that are equally simple and can be done by anyone in one corner of the room. So, no more excuses. Just get up, exercise, and stay fit and healthy. If I can, you all can. Thank you for watching.